Audi RS3, getting ready to swap the fuel pump out to show how fuel pumps work. Starting the car. Stock fuel pump is in the car. There's the upgraded brushless fuel system. I'm gonna shut the car off. Now we're gonna go back and we're gonna install the fuel pump. This is the fuel pump we're going to be putting in the car. It's the one that was sent back from Singapore stating that it does not operate in the car without a control module. This is the TI pump that's in there. As you can see, it's got a nipple going to the fuel pressure regulator, which the factory one does not. Don't need to worry about transferring the floater. We'll just test it like this real quick because we're gonna put back the stock pump after. Trying to get to the siphon pickup.
Yeah. You can't really pull that out.
Yeah, that one's kind of a pain in this car to get to.
This one. We gotta pop this one up.
There you go.
Just two.
And
easy
there
pickup.
she goes. Easy peasy Japanesey.
So we're just gonna drop it in to
Yep.
turn it on.
Yep. The little spring-loaded piece, I shifted it out when I lifted it up.
So we'll lift this one up to put the other one in there.
The little guide pins for the top cover slid out when I was holding it up to film it.
Other one. This is submerging fuel, we're good. Inside the fuel tank, fuel pump is in there.
Remember, there's no floater connected to this fuel pump as we're putting it in because we don't want to waste time doing that. So more than likely we're going to get a fault for a floater not being in there, just so you know. Okay, pump is in place. We're gonna leave it open so we can swap it back. Get in the car now. It's gonna take a little while to start, but there we go. Vehicle starts, system primed as I open the door. Fuel pump is in the car, that's the TI pump. And the car runs just fine. We'll be happy to provide instructions and guidance on how to install fuel pumps without having issues. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll hope you've learned something from this.